Hey there, fashion enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tailor-Made Apparels. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all things fashion. Today, we're diving into something exciting: the 5 best fabrics to manufacture hoodies. Hoodies are more than just a piece of clothing, they're a style statement. But what really makes a hoodie stand out? The fabric. So, let's break down the top 5 fabrics that not only look great but feel amazing too. First up, we have cotton. This is a classic choice, and for a good reason. Cotton hoodies are soft, breathable, and super comfortable. Whether you're lounging at home or heading out, a cotton hoodie is always a good pick. Next on the list is fleece. Fleece hoodies are known for their warmth. Perfect for chilly days, this fabric is lightweight yet incredibly insulating. Plus, it's super cozy, ideal for those winter months. Moving on, we have French terry. This fabric is a little different. It's looped on one side and smooth on the other. It's absorbent, durable, and gives a relaxed, casual look, perfect for that laid-back vibe. Before we continue, a quick reminder: if you're looking for custom streetwear, including hoodies, made just for you, we've got you covered. Message us now at WhatsApp 92328624339 or email us at tailormadewears@gmail.com. Let's make your vision a reality with Tailor-Made Apparels. Number 4 is polyester. This synthetic fabric is popular for its durability and resistance to shrinking and wrinkling. Polyester hoodies are great for active wear as they wick away moisture, keeping you dry and comfortable. Last but not least, we have jersey. This fabric is lightweight, stretchy, and incredibly comfortable. Jersey hoodies are perfect for layering and offer a sleek, casual look. It's a great option for everyday wear or mild weather. And that wraps up our top 5 fabrics for manufacturing hoodies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Tailor-Made Apparels for more tips and insights into the world of fashion. Until next time, stay stylish.